About your tomatoes here.
All right, there's little tomatoes started right there. There's little tomatoes started right there. Come over this way. There's little tomatoes started right there.
Now, there used to be something right here where my foot is, and you dug it up and put it somewhere else.
So far I see 3 tomatoes.
Is there anything over here?
I don't see nothing yet, but I think there's a couple we start here too. So those are the better boys.
So we had our garden over here, but we expanded it over here, and their new addition. Tell us about this right here. This was what, tilled up a few weeks ago.
Tilled up a few weeks ago
by the neighbor.
This is Rose of Honeydew melon.
So you got what, 5 there?
I got 5 places with multiple plants that are growing well. This is gonna be green beans if they ever come up.
So do you plant anything else yet?
Not yet.
Okay, so you want to tell everybody about over here what you got going?
This is the cucumber patch.
Okay,
These
cucumbers.
Yeah, these are gonna be straight 8 cucumbers.
Okay, let's move on down here.
These are gonna be a hybrid of the super sweet 100s. Murphy calls their hybrid 150s.
Okay.
And as you can see in the garden, I've got last year's that was here coming up, and I'm just gonna leave it alone and let it grow. That's what's left over from a year ago of the collard greens. They're still growing real good, but the bugs have got a hold of them.
I know, they were good last year.
Yeah, see how big they can get up to? They can, then here's the bell peppers growing, and I'm thinking they may have bell pepper on them pretty soon.
Yeah, bell peppers there.
Yeah.
Okay, what you got there?
This is rainbow peppers. I've got 3 plants. Had a whole bunch of them, but only the 3 strong ones survived.
And down here?
This is straight neck yellow squash.
Okay, yellow squash, straight neck.
And as you can see on this, you got 1 growing there, 1 growing there, 1 growing there. You got same results over here. You got about 2 or 3 growing right there.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm letting these little wildflowers grow, so the bees will get over here.
These 3 potted growing here, they'll be golden zucchinis.
We'll have a lot more this year.
And these plants right here, these are called a honeycomb tomato. Their tomatoes a tiny cherry tomato that tastes like honey.
Okay.
Real sweet.
And
last but not least,
we'll come back to talking about that right there.
Okay.
Unless you want to go ahead and talk about it.
This is a jiffy pod. I put the seed in it, and you can see there's a little baby seed right there. Never grew. I've had this super wet for a month and nothing in it grew, so I don't think these jiffy pods are any good.
Yeah.
I went back to the old-fashioned way of potting with seed starting mix I used the Jiffy seed mix.
Yeah, so don't buy these
Pellets.
Jiffy, these pellets. Don't buy those.
Yeah.
Okay, what else you got for us?
The last but not least, what you step right here, buddy, because this is a bigger, this is a big strawberry patch. I started out with just a few plants, but
Yeah.
it goes all back through here now.
Yeah, we got it going here. And it just keeps multiplying
As
each
you
year.
can see, you come out here,
You got some to pick. You done picked us some.
yeah, I've done picked 5 or 6 batches, and they come out this size or bigger. And you can take it like this, and you got fresh strawberry to eat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love strawberries.
Here, let me see if I can get you one, baby. Now, there's you a good big one. So all you gotta do is rinse it off, because I know you like rinsing yours off.
Yep, I'm gonna rinse mine off.
But there's still at least 100 here or more I can pick right now that's ready to eat.
I think some of the little critters come out here and got some.
Yeah, I don't mind them eating some of my strawberries.
But we got a lot. It just keeps multiplying every year, right?
Yeah, it keeps multiplying. It started out with just like a few of these plants like this right here, and it just spread.
Yeah, they're even coming in over here. We're going to have strawberries over here in this area.
Yeah, I've opened this up so these strawberries come over here. I've opened this back side up, and these strawberries are coming over this way too. And if you'll, they also want to jump over and get over into my other garden spot.
Trying to get over in the tomatoes. Right?
Yeah. That's a good taste strawberry.
Rinse that strawberry. That's a pretty big strawberry that we have out in our garden. Go ahead and take a bite. Mmm. Now that's a good strawberry. I didn't have to go to the store to get it. I just went out to the garden. What do you say? You help Daddy and Mommy out in the garden, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, we didn't bring you a strawberry? Uh-oh, you better tell Daddy go get you a strawberry. Oh, Daddy come back with a strawberry.
I got you a strawberry.
Oh, let me rinse it.
Look, I got her a strawberry. I got you a strawberry. Let Mama rinse it off,
Let Mommy rinse it off, okay?
Let Mama rinse it off and cut it up, okay?
Let me cut little pieces for you.
Yeah, hang on. Stay right there. You'll get your strawberry. I know you love that. You love those garden strawberries too, girl.
They real sweet.
Yeah, they're nice and sweeter.
We love these sweet strawberries. Okay, Daddy wants to feed you some. Okay?
There you go, baby. There's your strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? I know. You want strawberry too. I shouldn't be rude. I forget how much you love that. Love them strawberries. Yeah.
A few more bites.
She loves strawberries. She loves a lot of things out of the garden.
Okay, here's a few more bites.
There you go. There you go, another bite berry. Here's the last bite of strawberry, okay? Yeah, hell girl loves her strawberries.
Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye.